In this video, I'm going to show you how to find an open saved bookmark on Safari browser. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your web browser and then let me show you first how to create a bookmark. So let's say I want to add yandex.ru to my bookmarks, and now all I have to do is hit at that share icon, then scroll down for a bit and here select add bookmark. Now here I can name that bookmark and then hit on save. So now how I can find that bookmark? All I have to do is, in order to find the bookmark, is hit right there at bookmark icon. Here I got three tabs: bookmarks, reading list and browser history. I have to select the first, and then there at that list will be all your bookmarks, and you can simply switch between them, and the last added bookmark will be on the very bottom, on the last position. So now I can tap on that bookmark to open up that website. That's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.